Welcome class 11th. Today we are going to discuss about the positional average. In the previous class we have studied about the arithmetic mean, mathematical average. Today we will discuss about the positional average in which we have to study about the median, partition value and mode. In partition value we have to deal with three different types of partition value, that is the quartile, decile and percentile. As quartile means it's divide the whole series into 4 equal parts. Decile divides the whole series into 10 equal parts, while percentile divides the whole series into 100 equal parts. After that we have to deal with the mode. But later on we will discuss about the partition value and the mode. Today we have to discuss today we are going to understand and learn about the median part. How can we calculate median in indivisible series, discrete series and continuous series. So let us first understand that what is median. Okay, come to the definition part. Median is a centrally located value of a series such that half of the values or items of the series are above it and half are below it. Means median is a type of value or the summation of items which comes in between the whole series. Okay, for example, suppose that the height of the students of the class is to determine. If you want to determine the height of the class, then what we have to do? We have to just make the students in a queue according to just ascending or descending order. Means students should be standing in the ascending or descending order. First, students figuring in the middle would be taken as central item of the series, thus it is median. Means if the students are standing in an ascending order or they are standing in a descending order, so the middle student would be called as the median. Mid value is called as the median. Okay, now come to the calculation part. This is all about the median. Okay, come to the calculation part of the median in the indivisible series. So how can we calculate median in indivisible series? Let us see. First of all, I want to tell you that indivisible series are those series in which only one variable is given. Only one variable is given. That's why it is called as the indivisible series. So in indivisible series, what we have to do, how we are going to calculate the median, let us see. So first of all, we have to arrange the following series as per the ascending or the descending order. The first and foremost thing is to just arrange the items or the values in ascending or descending order. Second thing, add up the number of items indicated by n. Yes, the number of items would be indicated by m, and then after find the median. One thing I want to remind you, that if the number of the series happens to be odd number, you have to remind that if you are going to add, suppose the question is given as 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so if you are going to add, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What is the total number? 5. So if you have added up, okay, and you are calculating the median, then you have to find out by the help of this formula. Just median is denoted by m, and the formula for calculating median is size of n plus 1 upon 2th value. It is the formula for the calculation of median in indivisible series. But you have to see that the number which you are adding up is an odd number or is a even number. If it is odd number, then there is no matter, then there is no complication while calculating the median. But if it is even number, then you have to face the problem for calculating median, because it would come in fraction. Let us see. If the number of the series happens to be odd number, then there is no problem, because it is not divisible by 2. Then it is easier to find median with the help of this above formula. Okay, you can also find out median with this formula. But if the number of the series happens to be even number, just I want to tell you, if the number of the series is happens to be even number, it means n plus 1 upon 4 will come in fraction. Okay, in that situation what you have to do, so in such situation median value will be the arithmetic mean of the two middle values of the series. How will you calculate the median in such situation? If the number is coming, if the number happens to be the even number, then in such situation you have to take the average of two arithmetic means which the value is coming out. Suppose the value is 2.5. If you have added up and the value is coming as 2.5, how it is 2.5? Suppose it is the value 4, 10, 12 and 18. If you are going to calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 1, it is 5. 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2, it means 5 upon 2, that is 2.5. So 2.5, how you will calculate 2.5? If it is coming in fraction, in such situation you have to take the arithmetic mean, you have to take the average of two arithmetic means, means the second value, size of second value plus size of third value divided by 2. What is the second value? Second value is 10 and third value is 12. 12 plus 10, what is 22 upon 2, that is 11. So 11 is the median if the series is coming in even number. Let us see if the series is coming in odd number, how will you calculate? That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, means 5 plus 1 upon 2, it means 6 upon 2, that is 3, means the third value is the median. What is the third value? 6 is the median. So in this type of questions, if it is given in individual series, median can be easily calculated by just imagining yourself that it is odd number or it is even number. If it is odd number, then simply this formula would be used. If it is even number, then it is the average of two arithmetic means, and only then you will be able to calculate the median. I hope you have understood the median part or the calculation part of median in the individual series. If you are having any problem, you can just send the things in the comment box. Thank you.